Gates open, they're up and racing. 11 Yan Queen draws for your lead, moving up by the release. The top favorite, Defiant, to grab the lead. Action Sailor to take second. Mac Dollar is by the rail in between runners. Speed of Film. Then moving up by the rail is So Gorgeous running alongside Preciosa. The chairman followed by entry number 5 Wonder Pop. Running second last is Speedy McKay and trailing the group is Warstar. Past the last 800, Defiant in command by a length, running by the rail. Mac Dollar and Dottie outside is Speed Up Firm. Action Sailor drops back in port, moving up to take Peep 11 Yan Queen. Past the last 600, we have Defiant, the top favorite in command is Speed Up Firm, moving a party outside, running into the Action Sailor. Mac Dollar is by the rail. The chairman as they turn for home is Speed Up Firm in command. Wonder Pop moving up by the rail. Defiant is sorry outside. With the last 150 more to run is Speed Up Firm. Wonder Pop is by the rail. The chairman also closing in. With the last 75 meters, a long shot is Speed Up Firm winning this race over the chairman. Wonder Pop, Action Sailor. Then comes So Gorgeous, Mac Dollar.